What does a container crossing the Atlantic have in common with an international student in Jacksonville, Florida? In paper, not much. But in my mind, I see a direct line between me and CMA-CGM, one of the world's leading shipping and international business companies. Today, I want to show you why my dream is to work at CMA-CGM and how this company reflects the way I think, I study, and make decisions. CMA-CGM is a French shipping and logistics group that moves around the world through a network of container ships, ports, warehouse, trucks, trains, and air cargos serving about 420 ports in around 160 countries. According to the company's own record, its institution was founded in 1978 in Marseille by Jacques R. Saidi and has grown into one of the top three container shipping companies in the world. Today, CMA CGM operates in more than 650 vessels, employs roughly 160,000 people worldwide, and generates about 55.5 billion dollars in revenue in 2025. In recent years, the organization has invested heavily in AI, digital innovation, and decarbonization, launching tools such as the Decarbonization Gold on its online platform to help customers measure and reduce the carbon dioxide footprint in their shipments. CMA-CGM's mission is to develop a fair, more balanced economic exchange respectful of every human being and of the planet. That mix of global impact, data, and responsibility is precisely what drew me in. The first connection between CMA-CGM and me is data and technological problem solving. CMA-CGM is investing in data and digital tools to help customers ship more intelligently. I am the kind of person who enjoys opening a messy Excel file in confusing dashboard because it opens the opportunity to make them better. The habit of experimenting, measuring, and adjusting follows the same logic that CMA CGM uses to strengthen its logistics and customer experience. The second parallel between me and CMA CGM is global connection. They connect markets by sea, land, and air, serving hundreds of ports worldwide. I connect people and perspectives on a smaller scale. I grew up in Brazil, but now I study in the United States, and I have experience working across three different cultures. In groups, I often try to become the bridge person, explaining context, aligning expectations, and making sure everyone understands the goal. I am used to translating not only language, but also styles and cultural expectations. In my internship in Brazil, United States, and Italy, in the same way, CMA CGM connects ports and markets. I am to connect peoples and ideas. The third connection is entrepreneurial mindset. CMA CGM describes itself as a family business built on entrepreneurship values like boldness, initiative, and imagination and integrity. I have had to practice that mindset through my own entrepreneurship journey with B2 Mart in 2021. When I founded B2 Mart, I was not just completing tasks, I was making real world business decisions. For example, choosing products, dealing with suppliers, adjusting prices, and reacting when something didn't sell. When a product or a campaign failed, I did not wait for someone else to go in and fix it. I changed the offer, I tested new messaging, and I learned directly from customer feedback. That owner mentality is the same spirit that CMA CGM expects from people who join their business ways journey. So, when you think of CMA CGM, you think of Isabella, a student who sees global business as a giant data puzzle, who connects cultures the same way that CMA CGM connects ports, and who treats every project like an entrepreneurship, not just as a learner. Whether I end up at CMA CGM or not, I will be working with intersection of business, data analytics, and entrepreneurship, aiming to build smarter, more sustainable ways to connect the world. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.